Proof of concepts are very important in a market that is in a state of flux. No one really knows how the energy market is going to evolve, either here in the UK or globally. Because of the role that ElectraLink performs, because we are a national data hub for all energy market participants, is that if you take any process in the energy market, we see the whole end-to-end process. What the data lake allows us to do is to dip into that rich data set that we now have, 6 years worth of every single market transaction in the UK electricity and more recently UK gas market. For us, it's about experimentation, it's around speed to market. So what the platform allows us to do is to develop those proofs of concept, is to bring them to events like this, is to show them to market participants, is to get feedback. So we look at things like embedded generation, we look at things like change of supply events. We can really understand what's going on through the analysis of the data, what's going on in the marketplace, where we see opportunities to reduce costs, to provide more efficiency, and to help the industry transition from one way of working to a very different way of working, that we can focus much more on what the use case is. And it allows us to innovate and to work very closely with the users of our service to understand what analysis they're looking for and what value they can get from what's essentially their data. It's been fun, it's been a good engagement. They bring a real vibrancy and dynamism to our work in a way that's not typical for the energy sector. That's been great for us. We've moved very, very quickly to where we are now, and we look forward to continuing to work with Greenbird as we operationalise and we expand the scope of these services.